Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials: AirPods charged and Windows Bluetooth enabled. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Bluetooth and Devices. This is where pairing happens. Put the AirPods case lid up and press the rear setup button until the white light blinks. This tells Windows the headset is discoverable. Then click Add Device in Bluetooth and Devices and choose Bluetooth. That immediate action kicks off discovery, and it's faster than hunting menus when you're ready to connect. You'll now select AirPods from the list that appears in the Add a Device window. Choose Bluetooth and tap the AirPods entry. Windows negotiates the link automatically, which is why you rarely need a PIN. If asked, try 0000. Make sure to keep the case nearby and your PC's Bluetooth adapter enabled during this exchange. If pairing stalls, open Device Manager and check the Bluetooth adapter status. Updating the driver often resolves discovery hiccups, so the device can finish establishing the audio profile. Once connected, set the AirPods as the default output and input in sound settings so apps route audio correctly. Test playback and the microphone using a quick app or the sound control panel. Make adjustments in advanced audio options for per-app routing. If audio is choppy or the mic won't work, remove the AirPods from Bluetooth devices and repair. This clears stale profiles. Key troubleshooting tip: reset your AirPods by holding the case button until the light flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing. That fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.